Hey, welcome guys, welcome to my channel. This is Grow with Anita, and if you're stopping by for the very first time, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like our video, comment, and also share it with your friends. Yeah, because we do a lot of helpful things here. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you. Thank you for supporting me. God bless you. So guys, in today's recipe is an upgraded version of green juice. Yes, this is an upgraded version of green juice, and let's jump right into the ingredients. So for today's recipe, we have apple. Has a lot of fibers, has vitamins, keeps us fuller for long. As we all know, an apple a day keeps doctor away. This is parsley. Parsley has a lot of properties, down from antibacterial, anti-cancer, antioxidant, and also diuretic. Yes, it helps us flush our system. So guys, next thing here is our ginger. Ginger is anti-inflammatory, helps with weight loss, helps with immunity. And the next one here is our lemon. Lemon has a lot of vitamins, has a lot of water, aids in digestion, aids in relieving constipation, and has a lot of vitamin C and fiber as well, helps with weight loss. Then this one here is lime. Lime helps with weight loss as well. It has antioxidant properties too. Then here we have our spinach, and this is part of the spinach. Spinach has iron, vitamin A. So this one is celery, guys. Celery is good for the skin, has weight loss, helps hydrate you, makes you feel refreshed. So this one is cucumber. Cucumber has a lot of water, helps with digestion, keeps you fuller for long, keeps your skin glowing. So guys, as you can see, it's really packed with nutrients. So guys, let's jump right into the juicing part. So we've already introduced all our ingredients: cucumber, spinach, celery, ginger, parsley, apple, lemon, lime, and that is it. All the green stuff, they're gonna get all the green stuff into our body. Yes, so for the first one, I'm gonna toss in my parsley. Toss in my parsley. Toss in my spinach. Use the remaining spinach. Okay. Our celery, just cut it a little bit. We are using the blender, we're not using a juicer, so just cut it in bite sizes so that it will be easily blended. Throw it in. Cucumber, I've already skinned it. If you want, you can put it with the skin. The choice is yours. Throw it in. Ginger, try to cut it in bite sizes as well. Throw our ginger in. Our lime, bite sizes. We are blending everything with the skin. We want to get everything out of this lime. throwing. Our lemon. Apple. Then we're gonna put in some water. So that is it, guys. Come here, blend away. So our green juice is ready. I think we have a smooth paste now. Yes, smooth paste. See that? This is amazing. Everything is smooth now. So guys, our green juice is almost ready. So we've blended all our ingredients into a smooth puree. It's very smooth, as you can see, very smooth. So we're gonna sieve it. This is the outcome. So this is our green juice, and this is perfect for the weather. The hot weather is just perfect. Perfect for this hot weather, the extreme weather. Still have some left. Still have some left. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comment in the comment section. See, it's very clear. Enjoy it for the summer. Healthy. So guys, this is our green juice. Ready.